Page 20, 3-minute technique. As far as all the other stuff in these first pages of this book, I explained that in the video for Yankee Doodle at the beginning of that. So just go watch all that and I'll explain everything going on. I'm just going to cover this one page in this video. What we have here is have a thing called a sequence. A sequence is when you have a pattern of notes and it repeats itself going up or down the keyboard. So it's like here. That could be a sequence. So I could just, I'm repeating that going up the keyboard or down the keyboard. There's all kinds of sequences. You run into them a lot. And that's what this 3-minute technique is using. We have a sequence. The 2 lines, one for the right hand, one for the left, and they want you to start on C. You can start on any C, whatever's comfortable for you, and you're just going to play these 3 notes and then together, like so. And then when you're ready, you go up to the next note here, just move the hand up, do it again, same sequence, up again. You can keep going. Whichever, that's fine. Any speed, however you want to do it. And then these notes, this is a third, an interval of a third. I explain intervals in the other video, but thirds are very common. And then the second line is for the left hand. You're down, well, somewhere where it's comfortable for you. Here, it's the same thing going down. So forth. If you get adventuresome, put both thumbs on a C and do the hands together. Whatever. Play around with it. And that's really what they're doing here. Being able to identify a sequence in music comes in really handy. I'll talk more about it when we get into the music. I like to actually see it in the music rather than just talk about it. So that's,